Well, if you're looking for a show-stopping Easter dessert, look no further. Howard shows us how to make the ultimate coconut cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With Easter just days away, we're sharing a show-stopping dessert that'll grab everyone's attention. It's a rich-tasting coconut cake that starts with a supermarket shortcut and ends with lots of oohs and ahs. In fact, it's so good, it'll have your guests asking for seconds. We start by combining a package of white cake mix with some coconut milk, not cream of coconut, a bit of oil, and a few eggs. After the batter is smooth, we pour it into a couple of 8-inch cake pans. Then we bake these until the centers are set, which takes about a half an hour. While they bake and cool, we make a vanilla buttercream by beating together some butter, coconut milk, vanilla, and a good amount of powdered sugar. After the cakes cool, we top one of the layers with our buttercream, then place the second layer on top and frost the whole thing with the rest of the buttercream. To finish it off, we cover with coconut before decorating it. You can use jelly beans, bunnies, or whatever you have that's fun and festive. To get the recipe for our ultimate coconut cake, all you need to do is hop on our website. Imagine this as the centerpiece of your table. I'm Howard with Kelly, who loves the holidays. And today we found a very hoppy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Looks like a sugar overload. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.